we're going to start with a small pinch of 3 strands. Then every strand you're going to add it in a slatting manner. You're going to pinch like that a small hair. You pinch small hair from there, from the hair that was divided. Every strand, you always have 3 strands to do cornrows. These are twist cornrow and these are three strand cornrow. The twist has 2 strands. Okay, so in this 3 on, we are going to add every stitch that you're going to make. You're going to add small pinches on it like that. You're going to go slowly so that you can be able to see and understand. When you pinch, it goes in the middle, and then the one which was on the right hand goes over, going exchanging with the other, making sure the pinches are very small. Don't make big pinches, because when you make big pinches, your line may end up ending on the half of the head, and you want the hair to go down till to the nape of the neck, So you go slowly. You make sure the head is slanted to the side that you're planting it. So I'm using both hands. I'm using my fingertips to plait. I'm not using all my fingers. I'm using my 3 fingers, the thumb finger, the index finger, and the middle finger. So I make sure that I don't let it go. I hold it firm next to the scalp, as you can see, pinching next to the scalp. Don't pinch over on top of the hair, just pinch to the scalp so that the line the cornrow can be firm. As you see, I'm adding little by little, and the more I continue going behind, the more the little hair I take, so that my ending can be a smooth one. It cannot be on top, as you can see. So I'll make sure my plies are very beautiful, so firm. Then later I twist it back like that. I plait it back behind slowly. I make sure it's over and bottom. So let's go to the third one. And please, if you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask. Feel free to ask on the on the comment section, and like it on the like section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. If we are here to learn, let's learn together. I'm going to do a smooth line. I'll make sure that the comb has touched the scalp so that you have a smooth line. You can use oil if you want oil. You can use gel, just a little bit of gel. You can use a wax, whichever you want, so that it can make a smooth line. Okay, so here we are going to do the third one. Kindly follow up slowly. As you can see, I'm just taking small pinches. I'm not picking big pinches, because when you take big pinches, you'll not have you'll never have a beautiful line. You'll not have a beautiful cornrow. So don't feel deappreciated when you see that the line is not as well as you thought it will be. There's always time to make it right. As you can see, they are very smooth. They are not slanty. There are those lines that appear slanty. As you can see, this one is very beautiful. Just small pinches. It is over, bottom, and bottom. All you do is just exchange the lines at the middle. This strands got in the center, the other one goes up, bottom, center, right, left, like that. When you leave it, sometimes it comes hectic to get it back. So at times I always tell, if you know how to continue when you loosen your hands, please do so. Or if you see it won't be firm, just unplait the hair and just start over again. And that's how we go it. And that's how we do the cornrows. Very smooth, very smart. Just up, bottom, middle, up, bottom, middle. There you go.